If you're looking for luxury living in one of the hottest neighborhoods in the Charlotte area, the Cotswold neighborhood, then look no further. This is luxury living at 935 McAlway Rd, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, absolutely stunning condo, top floor, 3rd level unit, and end unit. And you're going to want to check out all of the amenities, upgrades in this luxury style condo. So let's take a tour. I'm going to highlight some of those really nice updates and upgrades that you're going to want to check out. So let's take a tour. So as you look throughout the home, the first thing that you notice is designer quality finishes. And that is throughout the home, whether it's luxury quartz countertops throughout, brushed nickel hardware, and custom lighting, dimmers, LED fixtures that create an ambiance that is really luxury living. So check it out as we walk through. And like I said, the lighting, the home itself really set itself apart from anything here in the community. Without a doubt, one of the first things you'll notice as you walk through the home are the large, high 10-foot ceilings. Makes the home feel very open. You have 1,200 square feet of home as it is, but with the ceilings as well, the 10-foot and luxury upgrades, absolutely feels like a dream come true. And one of my favorite also pieces of the home are that each of the 2 bedrooms are essentially master suites. They are large bedrooms that as you walk through, you feel like you're in, whether you're in either bedroom, like you're in the primary master suite. 2 of the most popular things that people really enjoy about living in the McAlway Rd area of Cotswold is, number 1, the location. So let's highlight what this neighborhood and what some of the surrounding area looks like and why it's so popular being close to Uptown, things to do. So let's take a drive around the community and check it out. Well, thank you so much for taking a tour of this beautiful home with us here in the Cotswold area at 935 McAlway Rd, 3rd floor condo ready for you. So make sure to reach out below. All of my contact information is there below, so reach out. We'd love to give you a tour of the home, get your thoughts. Until next time, we'll see you then.